Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Linetwaite here. Hi, and welcome to this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to maintain naturally styled hair with gel for up to a week without washing, without combing. And this is how my hair looks right now. So I'm going to wash it and then come back. So my hair is washed. This is how it looks like. Quite an afro, you know. So I'm going to be showing you how my hair looks day one when I apply the gel, and this is how it looks like. This is day one of applying and styling my hair with Eco Styler, or rather the gel. So as you can see, it looks put together. The first day will always be wow. So look at it, put together all nice and silk down. But the problem comes to day two. So this is how I woke up the next morning. I don't sleep with the extension, neither do I sleep with the shoelace that I used to hold the bun. And as you can see, it's not too bad, but it's not too good to go outside with. So as you can see, I was saying that I don't sleep with the extension or the shoelace there. So you already get the point. So we're going to head off for the requirements that we need for this to work out. So we need water. That is water. Next up, you need your gel, of course. Next up, you need your hairbrush. This comes in handy always. So next up, you need your extension. That is if you prefer extension to your natural hair. Then lastly, we need the shoelace. So let's get into this video. So you're gonna start off by wetting your hair. Just spray a generous amount of water to your hair. Don't overwet it. I'm going to show you how to know if your hair is ready to be brushed, or for the next step, I'm going to be showing you how it should look like. So as you can see, one side has shrunk, the other one has not. So you should make sure it should not be shrunk. So for you to know if your hair is ready, it should silk down before you even put gel on it, because you already have gel, and what you did with the water, you just kind of activated the gel that was already in your hair. So it should be able to do that, and you shouldn't feel any pain, and you should not struggle. So next up, after wetting your hair, you need to go in with your hairbrush and brush through your hair. Again, it shouldn't be a struggle. Remember, you've already wet your hair. So and if it's not coming through, you can feel free to add in some water to the necessary places. And once again, make sure it is silking down before you even apply gel on it, like that. So as you can see, it's kind of coming through without even the gel. The waves are there. So next up, you're going to go in with the gel. And apply just a little amount, because you already have gel on your hair. So look at that, you guys, look at the waves, so cute. So apply the gel generously all through your head, your hair, your head. The next step, we move on to using the shoelace. I prefer using a black shoelace because it kind of camouflages well with your hair, unless you have dyed hair, so you can match your hair to the shoelace. But I prefer using black because my hair is black, so nobody will even notice. Again, benefits of using the shoelace are on my video, so be sure to click on it. I will leave the link down in the description box, or I will link it as an end screen card. At the end of this video, you will see the video, so be sure to watch till the end. So that's how you work with the shoelace. You just have to place it and then squeeze the hair out or in, squeeze the hair so that it can give you the desired shape. So the whitey stuff is the excess gel. You can clear it out after you're done. The next step is putting up your extension. And as you can see, the hair looks good. It looks like literally day one. It's not the way we started the video. So next step is using a headscarf to silk down the hair ×2. Like it normally makes things better. Like the little hairs that don't silk down when you're using the gel, they do silk down when you use the headscarf. So don't skip this step. It's very important. So next step, we're going to wait for some time, and then we're going to do our edges. I'm going to do my edges off camera because you won't see them if I do them on camera. They are too small. So not sure if you can notice, but my edges are done, but I'm not sure if you can see. My bad. But in person you can actually see them. By the way, I'm serious. So let's do the hair reveal in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my god, I'm so extra. Yeah, so this is how it looks, and this is how I normally do or style my hair. For 1 week I normally wash my hair every weekend, but all through the week I just do this simple process. So that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you on my next video. Till next time, bye.